This could be the car for you. The 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Answer the call for adventure in comfort and style in the bold, spacious Traverse. Its quiet cabin, flexible cargo storage, safety features, connectivity, and all-weather capabilities infuse every drive with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, third row seat, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated rear seat. Maximize comfort, minimize stress. Drive the Traverse.